Okay, so welcome back to MCQ revision. I hope you're enjoying the chance to do individual questions. It gives us a chance to revise topics along the way. Examiners are really keen for you to understand the link between the PPF and opportunity cost, and this question is going to give us a chance to do that. Let's take a look at it. So an economy can produce only two goods at any one time, and these are good X and one other good, either A, B, C or D. The table shows the outputs of A, B, C and D with each output of good X when the economy's resources are fully employed. In other words, there'll be points along a production possibility frontier. Which good must be produced with good X to show a PPF or production possibility curve with increasing costs, increasing opportunity costs? Find the right answer, have a go, maybe sketch the diagram to work the answer out, and I'll be back in a few seconds with the right answer. So this question is about the PPF and opportunity cost. As we produce less of X, what's happening to output of the other products? And if there's increasing opportunity cost, then as we produce less of X, then we get less extra of other products. As we sacrifice X, we get the diminishing return to giving up units of X. So the right answer to this question is D. Good D must be produced with good X to show increasing costs. Let's just sketch this. We could put the output of X on the y-axis if you want, going up from 100 to 200 to 300 to 400, etc. And then we sort of sketch the output of good D. Notice that as we start, if we start at an output of 400 with X, obviously we can't produce any of D. As we go down from 400 to 300, initially we can add 50 units of D. But as we go down from 300 of X to 200, we can only add an extra another 40 units of D to take us to 90. And thereafter, again from 200 to 100, we only get an extra 30 units of D, takes us to 120. And if we drop our output of X all the way down to 0, we only get an extra 20 units of good D as a result. So this shape of the PPF gives us increasing costs. It's what should be a fairly familiar PPF shape to you. And here's another good example using wheat and cotton. So a PPF drawn in that way shows increasing opportunity cost, in this case in terms of the output of wheat given up to get extra units of cotton. Examiners are really keen to understand the opportunity cost PPF relationship, and this question allows you to do it.